Good afternoon, guys. I came with a new job update. And one more thing, welcome to Job Under India channel. And I came with a new job update, which is company name is Nike. I think you really familiar with Nike shoes. So that's company is hiring for a software engineer to level 2 EDA ICT, and the position type is full time, and it's going to be IT side, and the location is to be from Karnataka. So this is about the job location, the job name, and the company we're going to hire. So let's go into the skills, and it's going to be skills you have to complete your education, computer science or related. Related means like circuit branches like electrical and electronics and civil and mechanical also. And you should have minimum 8 years, 4 years of experience, max to max 8 years of experience is applicable, and detailed understanding of Sterling B2Bi apps and ETL, proficient understanding of code version using Git and GitHub, and a strong hands-on experience and Linux. Hands-on experience means you have to really work on Linux on your projects also. So this is about the hands-on experience and strong debugging skills, communicating with vendors and communicate customers in courteous and professional manner. You have to communicate with the vendors in a professional manner and good understanding of AWS technologies, and it is not limited to EC2, Lambda, S3, RDS Oracle. Strong shell or Python development experience, including expertise in REST and JSON APIs. You'd have knowledge of strong shell as well as Python development experience also in your real time, and also you must expertise in REST and J. As these are comes under APIs. You should must have a real time experience with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Puppet, and so many tools are also there. Hands-on experience with RedHat and good communication skills is necessary for every job role because you to communicate with many of the members and expertise with Apex reporting framework. This is a reporting tool. So previous work as Sterling B2B administrator is also considerable and certification is also necessary. So as a software engineer level 2, you will play a crucial role in shaping modern scaling like EDF platform while driving innovation systems. So these are the responsibilities you have to perform when you join as a software engineer level 2. So I will explain one by one. Recommend and implement automation of different administration tasks, shell scripts and command utilities or other applications or scripting languages. You have to recommend and implement the automation, totally automation of this administrative task. So you not involve any manual. You have to automate this every task by using shell scripts, command line utilities. Also working with style B2B vendor and bug fixes. Familiar with target systems that include open test and Axway, managed file transfer, Oracle SQL Server, and numerous file types like EDA and delinked XML and JSON edited file. Ability to perform disaster recovery exercises and willing to work on on-call support as needed through assigned projects. Willing to work early or late, sync up calls of offshore counterparts. Knowledge of how you perform Sterling B2B migrations, familiarity with GitHub, AWS infrastructure, and familiar with ServiceNow and Jira. So, have you observed all these duties, responsibilities, and skill set? If you match with these skill sets and responsibilities, then only you have to go and apply. And the experience is also matters. You know, minimum 4 years and maximum 8 years. So before one note, if you matches with this requirement only, then go and apply. Without matching this for job role, you have to apply means you didn't get any response. So it's waste of time yours. So this is my sincere advice. So this is about the job responsibilities and skills and the organization name and job role name and responsibility. One more thing, if you are shortlisted for an assessment or interview, just comment on this video so that helpful to other candidates because this Nike is really looking for the candidates. Okay, that's from my side. And If you like this video, okay, like if you really like this video and like our content, keep hit that like button. And if you really like our content, share this video to your friends who have looking for software engineer level 2, which is in Nike. Nike is an also good company. I think you see so many years it has been there in the shoes manufacturing. So in this way, this is my um, request. And please like my video, share my videos if you have the requirement, you are looking for the job change in software engineering. So this is about from the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the that like button.